I'd like you to imagine now there's a small town, Nazareth. The angel Gabriel appeared in the presence of a virgin who lives in Nazareth. Silently, I'd like you to imagine once again. The angel Gabriel said to a virgin, Mary, you should have a son who saves Judea and its people. Later on, Jesus Christ was born. I've been suffering so many things. I escaped from my hometown. Now I'm here, in front of the lake. This is very beautiful lake. God, save me. I feel painful here. I'd like you to save me. The angel appeared in front of a lady. Renounce greed to be saved. Live well in Mary. If you live in Mary, you shall be saved. This is surely true. In the name of the Most High. Ave Maria. 年間を通して定期的にこのような催しを行っておりますので、何回参加しても大丈夫ですのでぜひね、これ限りではなくてまたご参加いただければ大変嬉しく思います。本日はどうもありがとうございました。